If you run a salon or you sell automation to salons, you are losing bookings every single night because nobody is there to answer DMs and missed calls. Now, this video is going to fix that in the next 10 minutes. I'm going to build on screen a 24 by 7 AI booking agent inside GoHighLevel that handles Instagram missed calls and your website chat and books appointments straight into your stylist's calendar. No booking app, no Calendly, no human required. Quick disclosure, this video has affiliate links, and if you sign up through them, I get a commission. Costs you nothing, but let's go. So, hi, I'm Sawan. I build AI automation systems for service businesses, salons, restaurants, clinics, gyms, and so on. Over the last year, the single highest ROI build I have shipped is this exact one for hair and beauty salons. Average salon I work with is missing between 18 and 35% of inbound inquiries. And I'm not making that up. That is from the call logs I pull when I audit a new client. So, every missed inquiry is a $120 to $400 service walking away, and if you annualize it, it's in $1,000. So today I am building the system that catches all of it. Here is why salons specifically lose so much money to bad communication. 1. The stylists are literally holding scissors. They cannot answer the phone. 2. Gen Z and millennial clients don't call, they DM. And 3. The front desk, if there even is one, is checking out a client, taking payment, and rebooking the next person all at once. So when a lead messages at 7:43 p.m. saying, "Hey, do you do balayage on dark hair?" Three things happen. Nobody answers, the lead goes cold, and 40 minutes later they book at the salon down the street. So this is the problem. Now let's build the fix. The shift you need to make in your head. You are not building a chatbot. You are building a front desk that never sleeps, never gets attitude, and books revenue into the calendar while the owner is asleep. Three. So sorry. New calendar, explore more types, service booking, treatments. Okay.
So the brand name would be Body and Soul. The company website would be www.xyz.com. Company email would be xyz at the rate. Company address, phone number, and the tone of voice would be professional, friendly, trustworthy, confident, engaging, and blah, blah, blah. So additional information: target audience, customer pain points, brand. So cuts, trigger the workflow, appointment booking workflow, allow bot to cancel the appointment, allow bot to reschedule. Here you would find the options to connect this with LinkedIn, Facebook, Meta, all of this. So you connect with Instagram. Now what happens is all your DMs land right here inside GoHighLevel. Now whenever somebody DMs you, whenever somebody WhatsApps you, whenever somebody messages you, or does a live chat on your website, and sold, or do you want to talk through your options? Um, it's actually a complaint for a previous service. Let's see. Okay, thanks for letting me know, Sawan. I actually can't help with complaints about previous services here, but I can pass your message along to the.
I just built. Calendars, AI prompt, workflows, chat widgets, configuration, all of it. Here is the big lesson before I send you out. The AI is not the product. The AI is the delivery mechanism. The product is recovered revenue. Now, when I sell this to a salon owner, I do not say, do you want an AI chatbot? They don't care. I say you are losing roughly $4,800 a month in missed bookings, and I can recover 60 to 80% of that for a flat monthly fee. So frame it like that. The system sells itself, and the snapshot I just built is worth between $1,500 setup plus $500 a month retainer all day long. Two things. One, if you want the exact setup, step-by-step playbook for landing your first retainer clients using systems like this one, grab the AI retainer playbook free at sawankumar.com/AI retainer playbook. Link is in the description. It is the same framework I use. Two, if you don't have GHL yet, my link in the description gets you the extended trial and the salon snapshot I just built, plus two others, restaurants and clinics. And we have some bonuses as well. Drop a comment with your niche and I'll let you know which snapshot to start with. Subscribe, and next video I'm breaking down a real salon client who went from drowning in DMs to running this exact system on autopilot. See you there.